this is Betty and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share with you guys my first video for Die Hard Wednesday 2022. This collaboration is also being kicked off with my good friend Markeisha, who is Sweet Papery Treasures. I will leave her link below so you guys can run over and see what she has created as well. This is a collaboration all about playing with those metal dies. If you are a die lover like myself and Markeisha, we are asking you to participate along with us. Markeisha and I will be coming on every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, and we will be playing with our dies, and we will be showcasing different dies and projects with you guys. If you would like to participate in this collab, all you need to do is just upload your video and use the hashtag DHW2022. You can also use the hashtag on Instagram. You can upload as many times as you like, any day of the week. It does not matter. Just use the hashtag so that we can find your video. If you like the content of this video, just make sure you hit that like button. I would love for you to become a part of my crafty YouTube family, so you can hit that subscribe button and go ahead and hit the bell while you're at it to be notified when I upload a new video. So let's just jump into the fun of things. Today I am showcasing dies from ScrapDiva Designs. I am showcasing my guest design team project using her fun dies. So let me just go through the dies today that will be showcased. If you are interested in a die that or something you see on my project, just check the description box below, open that up, and it will contain a list of names of other dies that I use for my project. But today is all about ScrapDiva Designs dies. So here are the dies that I will be showcasing today. ScrapDiva Designs Scallop Hearts, Christmas Banners, Love You Memory Decks card, Heart Sunglasses, Heart Doily, Heart Wheel, and the Scallop Stitched Heart Bow Set. Also, I have a coupon code so you can save 10% off of your order. Just use the coupon code Betty10 to save 10% off of your purchase. Also check below. I will have the link to ScrapDiva Designs and a link to the products. So open that box up. It contains a lot of helpful information, okay? So let me share with you what I created. So here is my super fun and cute project share. I just had to do something Disney themed. I was inspired by all of the cute Mickey and Minnie Valentine products that I picked up, and it put me in the mood, and I wanted to create a cute Valentine's project showcasing Mickey and Minnie. So this is called a Gable box memory keeper. I followed a tutorial and I will link it below. This is like a way to showcase some of your photos, and you can also use it as like a decor item, and it's shaped like a Gable box. So when I saw that video, I put it on my to-do list, and this was a great time to go ahead and do that project. Also, Markeisha created this Gable box memory keeper in our Carving Out Fun collab. I will link her video below as well so you guys can check out her version. She did a fall theme. So yeah, really fun, really super cute. Here is the cover. You can see the cute little Mickey sitting on top on this tag that says you and me. I created a fun shaker in the back. You just gotta have a fun shaker. And then I put this cute little ticket here. I used this cute little Minnie Mouse sticker that I had in my stash. I used glossy accents to accent and give her ears some dimension. Mickey is also a sticker, and I used glossy accents on his ears as well as his nose. I also used glossy accent on Minnie's nose as well. I used stickers on his cute little shoes. This is ScrapDiva Designs Pretty Die showcased here. This is the Scallop Heart. So cute. I use it as like a layering piece, just kind of peeking out there. And I love how that turned out. I did a little bit of layering here on the front. It stands up really nice. You can see that. I love this. This would be cute. And then I have a little clip here that you can just hose it shut, the little clip. And I just added some ribbon and put this cute little cabochon here in the center. So you remove the clip. And it opens up like this. Isn't that cute? And then you have like little inserts in here that you can include photos. So this is a great way to do like a smaller style, like mini album, so to speak. And I just love it. This is super cute. So here's the inside. You can see I went with the polka dot in white here in the inside. And then I have my inserts. I have one insert that I couldn't fit in there. I can't seem to do anything just flat. So I'll share that last insert when I share these. This right here is really cute. That's the Scallop Heart using ScrapDiva Designs die. It is so cute. And what's so special about it? It turns. How fun. This is interactive. I love this. And I love this cute little sticker of Mickey covering his eyes. I thought that was so fun. So I thought that would be a really cute decorative piece. So here's the back. Isn't that cute? I have some Disney stickers in my stash, and so I used that, and I put this heart here in the center. I just kept it black on the back. I used 110-pound cardstock, of course, so that it can be sturdy, and it is, you can hear that, it is super sturdy. So the inserts are A2 size. Right here, isn't that cute? I have Mickey and Minnie inside of this car. And you guys, this is not a die. I popped that off of a Dollar Tree card. So I thought it was cute, and I just used the Mickey and Minnie stickers inside, like they're riding inside of the car. And here is ScrapDiva Designs in action right here. You can see that Cupid hanging out of the car, the banner. It is so cute. I use glossy accents all over it to give it some dimension. And to bring the Disney feel to everything, I added a cute little Mickey ears right there at the top. And I use glossy accents here on the front part of the car so it can look like, you know, the window. I use stickles here for the lights so it can really be shining. I added this cute little heart onto the car. I have the road here, and I kind of put the car lopsided because I thought that would be really fun and cute. I didn't want it to be straight, so I kind of put it kind of wonky there. And this is cute. I love it. It's so simple, and you just open it up and you can put your photos inside. So a great way to showcase your photos. You can put one over here, and then you can also put a photo on the back. So this little memory keeper can hold about 12 photos. So that's pretty good to showcase some of your favorite photos, and you can do it in any theme. So this is the first insert. Here's the second insert. You can see that Love You in Action by ScrapDiva Designs. And what I did to really give this a lot of dimension, I used matte board to cut it out. And then I sprayed it with some spray adhesive and added glitter. And then I put glossy accents all over it. So it just really is a sturdy piece. You can see the Mickey ears just peeking out there. And then I use some Nouveau drops. I love Nouveau drops, just to add something to the card. And then here's the inside to put the photos, as well as a photo on the back. Super fun, right? And then here's another one I did horizontal. Again, that's ScrapDiva Designs cute dies, you guys. Look at those shaker sunglasses, the little heart sunglasses. I created and made it into a shaker. So cute. You can see the Mickey ear shakers in there. If you can see, I got a black one in there, a red one. And then to top it off, I even put Mickey ears on the ends of the sunglasses to bring the Disney feel together. So you can really use this die for anything that you're doing and really make it fun and cute. I have a cute little sticker here that say me and you, and then the Mickey ears and this little flower little embellishment there in the center. Here's the inside for the photos, and then the back. So that is cute, cute. And here's the last insert that I couldn't fit in there, showcasing the heart. I did this in 2 colors. For the heart, I use matte board because I have to have some dimension. So I love using matte board for my embellishments. Plus, it makes it extra sturdy. And then here's the Scallop Heart bow. Now, this bow has another layering piece to go here, and then on the tails. I didn't use the layering piece. I thought white would be better, just a plain white. But you do have an option to do your bows layered up into 2 different colors. So this is this insert, really plain. No need to do a lot with this because of the busy background paper in the back. Here's the inside. I just did plain red. And then another photo can go here. So I thought this was so fun. It's so easy to do. I had a blast with this. It was just so much fun. So what do you guys think? Which insert is your favorite? I love them all, but I would have to say this one is my favorite. I love the Mickey and Minnie in the car. I thought that was really cute. That concludes my first video for Die Hard Wednesday. If you like the content, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my YT channel. Don't forget to run over and check out Markeisha and see what she has created today. And check out Erica, ScrapDiva 29, ScrapDiva Designs online store, and pick up some of those fun Valentine dies for your Valentine projects. Until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.